Hi, this is Shavawn Forester, a nutrition scientist and dietitian on a mission to make nutrition simple for families. Today's blog post is all about the fundamentals of nutrition, how to choose the best nutrition plan for you, your family, and your athletics. So the answer to that is choosing a diet or a plan that is full of nutrition. Now, we hear a lot about calories. Now, calories come from three major places: carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. So carbohydrates, fats, and proteins are used as energy, very similar to how gas is used in a car. But it's really easy to get energy. We can get the calories that we need quickly. So in a 6-inch sub, there's 250 calories. In a can of soda, there's 150 calories. In a Kit Kat bar, there's another 200 calories. On average, Americans eat more calories than they actually need. But on the other hand, they don't get as much nutrition as they need. So actual nutrients, and we're talking about vitamins and minerals and antioxidants. And so a diet that's really high in nutrients gives you a ton of energy. A diet that's low in nutrients makes you feel super tired, groggy, grumpy, just not great. So the three major ways to get a diet that is, or to have a meal plan or plan that's really high in nutrition is, number one, eat tons of plants. Plants have all these special chemicals called phytonutrients and antioxidants and a ton of other stuff that helps keep your cells healthy and young. They're also a great source of carbohydrate to keep you energized during the day and during your workout and keep your brain functioning well. Number two, eat beautiful foods. So a really cool thing is, from an evolutionary perspective, we've actually associated beauty with nutrition. It's our innate way to understand that which foods are most nutritious. So the more beautiful they are, the more nutrition they have. And part of that is to choose foods that have a lot of color and are in all different colors. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, white, they all have special aspects to them. Things that are gonna keep you healthy. Lastly, number three, keep hydrated. So water is actually an essential nutrient. We can go weeks without food, but we can only go a couple days without water before we die. Drink water. And so, 50 to 60% of our body weight is water. And if we just lose a little tiny bit of water, our brain function goes, our athletic ability goes, we just can't function right. So water is the medium of all of the chemical reactions that are happening in our body. The best way to tell if you're hydrated is the color of your urine. It should be really light yellow. If it's darker than that, drink water. If you feel thirsty, you're already dehydrated, so stay hydrated. So that's the sum of this blog post. So all of you Silver State family and friends, get a diet that's really high in nutrition by choosing plants that are beautiful and a ton of variety and lots of color, and stay hydrated. Hope that was helpful, and if you have any questions, please be in touch. Shavawn with Nutrition Answered. A link to my webpage is below, and please be in touch. I would love to chat.